Yeah, that's Adur, Latamendia.
Oh, look at this one's got a nice wall.
Birthday boy, up and riding.
Oh, he's going to have to pull in here. Oh, he's going to get around it.
Here we go. Beautiful backhand. Whoa, grab rail. Nice.
Styling around the corner.
Little Larry layback. Wow.
You can actually hear the crowd a little bit more here now, going for their local favourites.
Yeah, look at them swooping cutbacks. I mean, Nacho has this wave down. He's an amazing surfer.
And right now we have a ski and one of our surfer and our ski in a lot of trouble.
Definitely a sticky situation going on here. Look at this, right through the rocks. This is what we've been talking about all day, the dangerousness of what we're doing.
Definitely a legitimate big wave location. Coming into this contest, you know, I'd heard rumors that, you know, the wave wasn't up to scratch and wada from different people, but after coming here, I think those are people that hadn't been here before. So after coming here and surfing it, you know, it was 15, 18 feet today, and that's legitimate. There was probably a couple bigger sets too that we didn't catch, and for me, any wave over 10 feet is a big wave. So today was a big wave surfing competition, and we all had a lot of fun.